In this video, we're going to be talking about the cross multiplication method. Step 1 is to determine if this is a proportion. So we're going to be looking for an equal sign. So I see an equal sign, I see two fractions, so I know that it's a proportion because a proportion is when you have two equal fractions. I also see this variable, and I don't know the value of it. So when you have a proportion and you need to solve for a missing variable value, you can use the cross multiplication method. So we have the right situation for us to use this method, so we're ready for step 2, which is to cross multiply. I already recorded the parentheses on each side, so now we're going to go ahead and multiply the n by the 8. Now I always write the number in front because the accepted way to write this is 8n, not n8. So I just go ahead and put that number value on the left. Next, I'm going to multiply across this other direction, and I'll multiply 7 by 7. And the product of 7 times 7 is 49. So we have now completed step 2. Step 3, divide both sides by the coefficient. So we're at a point where this is a one-step equation, the operation is multiplication, and the inverse is division, and we're dividing by the number that is keeping the variable from being alone. We're dividing by the coefficient, 8. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So we're left with 1n is equal to, and we could either leave this as an improper fraction, change it to a decimal by using long division, or change it to a mixed number. I would like to write it as a mixed number. So let's think about it. 8 goes into 49. Alright, 7 would be too much. 8 times 7 is 56. Let's try 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. That would work out perfectly. So 8 times 6 is 48, and the difference between 49 and 48 is 1, and we keep the denominator the same. So 49 eighths is the same as 6 and 1/8. So we found that the value of n is 6 and 1/8. So 7 over 6 and 1/8, that fraction is equal to 8/7.